Hi, my name is Sean. Today I'm going to show you how to replace a screen on this Dell Inspiron laptop. I ordered a replacement screen from laptopscreens.com. Now I do have to say you have to be careful when you order this. The first one I ordered was the wrong one. It actually, you can see the corners on the bottom here are round. There is a Dell version that's the exact same screen that has square bottom corners, and you can see the laptop I have, the bottom corners on this screen are round. So make sure you don't make the same mistake I do and order the right screen. Alright, now I am replacing this screen because the circuit board on the bottom of the screen is actually broken. You can see it works good most of the time, but then if it's in the wrong, you put the wrong tension on it, or you're just sitting there, it can mess up. So it's gotten to the point where the person who's using this, it's not usable anymore, so I am helping them by replacing it for them. Okay, so I got the computer all powered down. Now the first thing you have to do is separate the bezel from the screen. Now I already started this with a razor blade. Once you get it started with a razor blade, I recommend using something plastic. I actually like these Pampered Chef plastic little scrapers. They work very well. You just slide it along the edge once you got it separated, and it'll separate it the rest of the way. The bottom's a little bit trickier. You gotta. There we go. Alright, so we got the screen separated. Now we have to remove the tape that's on the board, on the plug. Okay, so we got that ribbon cable separated here. Okay, we also have to move the webcam from this. So just tape down with a little bit of tape, just pop the whole unit out. Remove the little pieces of tape. Okay, so now the whole cable's loose. So now we can slide it out. Oh, I see. It's got a little bar. You gotta release this bar. There. There, now the whole cable just pops up. Okay, so the whole screen comes right out just like that. Take the new screen, reroute the webcam. Now it's got a little piece of sticky tape here. Just take the protective coating off, and you can stick the webcam right inside of there. Just line up this little hole Yep, it sits right down in there. And then we'll just put it back in the little grooves, reuse the tape. Then we'll reinsert the cable. Put the bar down. Put the tape back down. Okay, now we'll also have to transfer over this little piece from the old monitor. Put the ribbon cable back in. You got to make sure the bar is up when you stick the ribbon cable back in. And clamp that bar down. Put the tape back on. Pull wire back into place. And then snap the monitor back in. Okay. And we'll turn the computer on. With any luck, it'll come right up. So there you go. Laptop screen looks like it works. The touch screen looks like it works. Shut it down.